going to upload a video, I'm going to be showing you shortcuts to which you can get your 1,000 subscribers, your 4,000 watch hour, and in fact, to even get your channel monetized, all in this video. All you just need to do, follow this step I'm going to be showing you in this video. After doing this step, the next thing for you to do, close your phone, go and sleep, wake up, then come back and check your YouTube studio, check your dashboard, check out the subscribers will be there, and check out your watch hours would have gained momentum, how it would have skyrocketed. In fact, and by the way, guys, you don't even need to even use Restream. You don't need to go and be downloading one app. You don't need to do no external app at all. All we are actually using is YouTube, guys. Let me show you the whole process. Let us just go into the screen record so you can see how it is done. Let's go. So guys, the first thing for you to do, head over to Google. You guys know I love Google a lot if you have been following me on this channel. So let's search for YouTube Studio. Yeah, YouTube Studio login. Let's click on it. Let's click on login. Okay, so here we are on our YouTube Studio dashboard. So let me just go to this content part because I need a video. Remember I said you guys don't need to upload any new video. Okay, let me choose a random video. Let me zoom it closer so you guys can actually get to see it well. Let me choose this one. So just click on this 3-dot icon. So once you click on it, you see this part here that says promote. Click on promote. You guys will actually know where I'm heading to. Just calm down, relax, you know. Yeah. So once all of that is done, as you can see, what is your main goal? I want to explain something here. You see the first one here says audience growth. Get more subscription and views of additional videos on your channel. So if this is what you want, if you want subscribers, this first option is for you. And then you still want extra views. But if you don't want subscribers, maybe for you that already have 1,000 subscribers is not your problem. You just need views to get your watch hour, because for you to be able to get your watch hour, you need views. Then this second option is for you. So you guys should know the option you're actually picking. This website visit, you guys should totally ignore that one. That one is not your business for now. So if you have less than 1,000 subscribers, you still need subscribers and you need the watch hour. This one is for you, audience growth. So let me assume that you guys have less than 1,000 subscribers and you still need watch hour. So let's just go with this audience growth for the purpose of this video. So after that is done, if you look down here, this part here is saying next, you click on it. Let me click on it. As you can see, it has actually, look at the way it appears. So you can see what will your promotion look like. You can see how it is, the title, where it will appear. So this is how it is going to look like. I don't know if you guys open YouTube, you must have been seeing videos like this showing like ad appear, right? Yeah, so this is a preview of what it will look like at the end. So if you are satisfied, just click on this part here that says next. So who will see your promotion? So these are countries. You can see Nigeria, United States, Kenya, India, Ghana. You can go ahead to remove or add whatever country you want to add. You can remove, maybe you don't want audience from Ghana. You can go ahead and remove Ghana. You don't want audience from US. You can go ahead and remove US. Okay, so if you want to add or you want to remove, let me even add for you so you guys can actually see. Just click on this part right here. So once you click on it, you guys can actually see. Let me take this back a little. I'm trying to zoom it so you guys can actually get to see it. You can see Algeria, you can see Argentina, you can see me scrolling. Just choose whatever country. If you want Canada, look at Canada is here displaying whatever country. And if you want to remove anyone from this particular one, just go ahead and remove. That's how it is done. So once you're done choosing the people that you want to actually, like your audience, the next thing for you to do is to head over to this part that says next and click on next. So guys, once you click on next, this is what the next interface look like. Yeah, they're actually going to ask you how much do you want to spend. If you look right here, this currency, let's click on it. You can see they have several currencies. Just scroll and choose the currency you actually want to make use of. And you can see here they have the total budget, like whatever amount you're actually planning to spend. Okay, that's like the, how should I say it, one of the few things, or should I'll not call it a disadvantage of this particular way, but just know that this particular way, the only downside is that you need to spend. But then, like I always tell someone, no matter the amount you invest on YouTube, it is always worth it, because in the end you will even reap more of what you have actually sown into this YouTube. So let's just say, for example, let's say we want to use $100. So let's say we want to just use $100. Okay, so and then end date, you can go ahead to choose the end date that you want them to stop showing your videos like that. You can see based on total budget, you will spend an average of $13 per day until your selected end date. You guys can actually see, and I'm actually going to be getting 6.4k to 19k estimated views and 92k to 560k estimated impression. So guys, and one of the good thing about this thing is that you don't even need to pay to an external site or doing this. Is YouTube itself, so you don't have to be scared or worried that hope I'm not going to get banned, like hope it is not bots. You know, some people now, whenever they go and do promotion, they might be using bots. So this is YouTube itself, so this is not bots. This is going to be real views, real subscribers, because it is YouTube itself promoting it. I hope you guys actually get the message. So this is far more better than using any other external app to actually promote your YouTube channel, because external apps, they don't really care about your YouTube channel. If I'm to be honest, they just want that money you want to pay them. But you see, YouTube itself, they will never ever take your videos for bots. Only real people will actually get to view your video, and real subscribers will get to engage. I hope you guys actually see the benefits. So yeah, if you see, yeah, you guys can actually go ahead to read all of this, yeah, but I don't want to be reading it just to save our time. You can go ahead, change the price to see how much. So depending on the amount you spend, that is how you will get. Like, the more money you spend, the more value you get. So you guys actually understand. So after all of that has been done, then the next thing for you to do, just scroll down here again and click on next. Let's click on next. Okay. So after clicking on next, I'm going to be blurring out this part because I don't want to be showing my payment information. I'm sorry guys, I have to blur out this part. So this is where you actually put your payment information, enter your card, and then make your payment. So once your payment has been successfully done, all you just need to do, go to bed and sleep and allow YouTube to do its work. You just be opening your YouTube studio, just keep refreshing, and you're seeing views, you're seeing engagement, seeing subscribers, your 1,000 watch. In fact, within one day, it is very possible to get your 1,000 subscriber with the way YouTube is actually going to promote it for you, and you actually be seeing views. You guys can go ahead and try it. For those of us that have actually tried, because I know some people have tried this method before. If you have tried this method before and it worked for you, please do what to put it down in the comment section, guys. Put it down, let us know your experience if you have tried this method before. And in case if you have not tried this method before, let me know if you are going to be trying now. If there's any issue at all, anything at all, please let me know in the comment section, guys. And guys, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. In case if you are watching me and you have not subscribed, when I check my YouTube studio, I thought that majority of people watching me are actually not subscribed to my channel. So please do what to hit on the subscribe button, please, because I'm doing that for you. It is totally free. Do what to also like, do what to share, and do what to leave a comment like I said earlier on. See you again in our next video. Bye guys.